So guys, for the first step, I'll take a dark blue sheet, A4 sized, and now we will fold this into half like this. Now turn it up this side and just keep it. Now what you have to do is, so now we have to cut the teddy bear's face. So how we will cut it? I've drawn a rough figure here and I'll show you how to cut it out. So this way on the brown sheet of paper, I am cutting out the bear's face. So we'll cut out the leftover part also like this of the bear's face. Actually that's the bear's face. So this way I've cut out the bear's face, which will be here like this. Now you have to cut out a heart from a pink sheet of paper. So here I've taken a pink sheet of paper. This is my favorite tint pink color. So I'm just gonna cut out a small part from here. Fold this into half and draw a heart on this like this. So like this I've drawn heart, and now we'll cut it out here like this. So like this I've cut it out, and now I'll open it. So it's like this. It will be like this on the bear's face here. And now what you have to do is, I've taken this strip of brown paper and I'll fold it into half, and now you have to draw the bears like this. And now I'll cut it out. So it is like this. So now you have to separate it out. So the bears will be here like this. So now you have to cut out the same in a pink also. So like this I've cut out the boar's ears in pink colors also, and now we just have to stick it like this. So like this I've sticked it, and now what you have to do is, we again have to take the brown sheet of paper, and now we have to make its hand. So for making the hand, first I've chosen this part because this was already used. So now what you have to do is cut out a small part from this, a very small part. And now just cut out two rough figures like this. So like this I've cut them, these two hands like this. Now what we have to do is, we have to cut the legs of the bear. So now we'll again cut some part from this sheet, and now we are gonna cut out one more like this. So now what you have to do is, like we did for the ears, we also have to cut a pink pair for this like this. So like this I have cut the pink ones also out. Now stick them like this. So now we've done with the main structure. Now you just have to stick all the parts at their place like this. So now I've sticked the whole figure, and now I will draw 3 lines like this here to show that the bear is holding the heart. And now what you have to do is, now for the eyes we will cut out 2 circles out of this rough sheet of paper. I'll cut out 2 circles like this. So like this I've cut out the 2 circles, and now what you have to do is, I'm gonna take a black brush pen, and you can also take a sketch pen or a marker, and you can also take a Sharpie. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna Draw a circle. And just color the leftover. Leaving a circle, color the leftover. Do this with the second eye also. Now we have to stick these two eyes here like this. Now with the brush pen, I'm gonna draw a nose like this. Draw this face like this, and this looks very pretty. Now for the final step, what we have to do is